Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video we are doing an evening clean with me. You guys definitely showed me some love in the last clean with me video that came out on Sunday, so I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys another one. So let's go ahead and get into it.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
So the first thing I did was wipe down the entryway cabinetry. I try to keep that wiped down pretty often. And then now we're, of course, in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna clean off the countertops, do a detail wipe down of the counter area, and then we're going to move our way around the house. So like I mentioned in my last video, I definitely try to keep a certain routine on how I clean the house. It just keeps me a little organized so I don't get overwhelmed. But I always start in like that entryway area and then just work my way from room to room. That just seems to always keep me on task, but also to where I'm not having to clean for hours upon hours.
To wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
So the next thing I'm going to do is just remove everything from the countertop and wipe it down real good. So, you know, most of the time I just clean the countertop with these items already on the countertop. And today I'm actually going to remove everything and then wipe it down. So I do recommend doing that fairly often than not. I know it's one of those things that is easily forgettable, but I try to do it at least once or twice a week.
Sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
I'm back to using Mrs. Meyer's today, so I'm actually using the winter scent. I think it's called Snowdrop or somewhere along those lines, but I actually do like that scent. The apple cider scent for fall is still my favorite, but this is my first time having this winter scent, and I actually do like it quite a bit. I tried Target. Target was actually sold out whenever I went, but I just actually ordered it off of Walmart and just had it delivered. So Walmart or Target has this winter scent from Mrs. Meyer's.
Jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter.
If you are liking this video so far, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, and then also don't forget to hit the notification bell. It'll always notify you every time I post new content. I know I mentioned in the previous video I'm going to try my best to post every Wednesday and Sunday. However, of course, since this Sunday is Christmas, I'm just going to wait to post next Wednesday, which will be a declutter with me video. And I just feel like it's the perfect time to declutter those spaces within your home that you haven't gotten to this year, or maybe within the last 90 days or so. So I just want to choose several spaces within my home to declutter, especially with Christmas gifts coming in, and then also the beginning of the new year. So definitely stay tuned for that video.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broke.
So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and tidy up the desk area. I just need to put a few things back and then wipe it down. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll head into Eleni's room.
Tomorrow comes and you are not around, feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me.
So now we are in Eleni's room. We're just going to tidy up a few things and then also wipe down the dresser and the nightstand as well.
Close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you
So now I'm just going to turn on her Christmas lights. So she just has a couple of toys or decor in her room that actually light up. So I was just doing that for her nighttime routine. And then we also have some Christmas lights around her mirror that lights up at night as well.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I
The sky is blue, the sun is high.
So we are finished in Eleni's room, and I just want to show you guys a quick glance of what it looks like with the lights off. So it just gives a little bit of a Christmas vibe in here. Just something simple and small, but she definitely loves those lights.
Maybe I should take a stroll, and to me that's alright. To me that's alright.
Don't judge me on this, but these are pretty much clothes that didn't make it into the hamper. Not sure why I have the hardest time putting the clothes in the hamper. But the hamper's actually in the bathroom, and for some reason I always take like my clothes off in the closet. So I'll give myself that excuse, but that is definitely something I need to work on as far as putting the dirty clothes in the hamper right away.
I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll, and to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright.
I hope you guys enjoyed this evening clean with me video, and I hope it inspired you to get something done today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.